A lot of times our customers struggle with the decision, when should you do the work? I'm here to inform you that the best time to do the work is right now, because doing the work now is not only going to be the most beneficial for your home, but it's also going to make you money in the long run. Most people don't budget for crawl space and basement repairs. It's an unfortunate thing that comes up, but we're here to fix it. And doing this work is going to give you a better return on your investment than those new kitchen countertops you wanted or remodeling that bathroom. When you own a home, only 3 things can happen. One is an unfortunate circumstance where you foreclose on the home, but if you're someone who's actively doing repairs on your home, that's probably not going to be you. The second thing is you live in the home for the entirety of your life and you end up leaving it to a loved one. Or the third option, which is the most common, is you end up selling your house during a real estate transaction. When working with customers in the decision-making process, a very common conversation that we have is the customer didn't plan for it, they didn't budget for it, and what they're going to do is just take it off the sale price of the house when they go to sell their home. They're just going to live with the problem until that day comes and it's somebody else's problem. That's not a good option at all for multiple reasons. The first reason is because over time, your problem is going to get worse. Therefore, it's going to be more expensive. So what your quote is today, 5 years down the road, next year, 10 years, whatever it is, it's going to be more expensive to fix it. 2, over time, cost of construction projects only goes up. Over the past couple of years, we've seen a dramatic increase across all construction trades. Cost of projects have gone up. And if the trend keeps on going, it's going to cost you way more then than it does right now. And the last thing is it's going to be a huge deterrent for people to buy your home, and it's going to narrow a lot of people out of the list of potential candidates for purchasing your home.